Okay, well, hello everybody. I'm making a quick video right now just to show you how to register with your Forex broker. Yesterday I made a video that showed you how to actually place trades, and in it I showed you how to open a demo account. This video is going to show you how to create a live account so you're trading with your own real money. Now, the first thing that I have to say when it comes to choosing a broker is that Kuvera is not allowed to promote any particular broker. The one that I'm going to show you is my personal choice. You can choose whoever you wish, but Kuvera themselves will not actually recommend any particular one. And as I said, the one that I'm going to use is my choice. Feel free to use it if you want to, but if not, there are lots and lots of choices. Just go to Google, type Forex broker, but make sure that you choose someone that's credible and trustworthy. And it's not unreasonable to take recommendations from some people who are using a particular company and are having some success with it and know that they've got no problems depositing money, withdrawing money, everything else. The one that I use works very well, so I'm going to stick with that one. So the broker I use is called IC Markets, and all you need to do is select an internet browser window and put IC Markets in the top, and there you go. Now, if you choose to go with IC Markets, your next step is simply to click the button that says Get Trading. Once you do that, you're going to get the screen to register, and you can see there's just 4 simple steps that you have to fill in. You have an option to deposit funds using either your credit or debit card or even PayPal. So IC Markets makes it quite easy for me. They don't accept registrations from everywhere in the world. People in the USA can't register with IC Markets. They're an Australian broker, and for some reason they don't deal with US citizens. So people in my team that are based in the USA tend to use forex.com. So it's not available for everybody, but if it is available for you and it works for you, then this is what you do. Put your personal details in. I'm not going to fill them in right now on here because I've already created the accounts, but it's a simple process. It's just your name, address, email address and telephone number, and then some sort of payment detail, whether it be credit, debit card, or whether you choose to use PayPal. Now, once you've done it, it's going to ask you to send some ID to become verified. The ID that it will ask you for is photo ID, either your driving license or passport, and a bank statement or a utility bill to confirm your address. And you need those before you can withdraw funds. You will actually be able to start trading before you send those details. But if you're trading and you're making money and you want to withdraw money, you can't withdraw a penny until you have verified your identity. These are anti-money laundering rules. So it's something that every broker will go through, and they'll all have their own twists on it. So be aware that you have to have those. If you don't have photo ID and utility bills in your own personal address, you need to make sure you have that in place before you get started. Once you've registered, you're actually going to get an email confirming your account. Now, with IC Markets, they send 2 separate email addresses. Oh, sorry, 2 separate emails. The first one is the registration for the IC Markets website. The second email is your MT Live account details. You need to make sure that you check that you are looking at your MT4 Live account details, because you're going to get 2 separate logins. So it's really important that you don't put the wrong login, because it just won't work otherwise. So if the email that you're looking at doesn't say that, make sure that you look at the other one. Make sure you select the right one. Once you get that, your login details are there. And I've blurred mine out for obvious reasons, but your login details are going to be included there. Once you've got those, you then go to MT4. If you haven't already installed MT4, you need to look at the video that I made yesterday. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you the links so you can go and find that. But install MT4 on your phone. And then let's go to MT4 and open it up. Now, once you open it up, you've got the menu bar along the bottom. You click on Settings. That's going to give you the screen that you can see there in front of you. And then you're going to click on New Account here, so you can register a new trading account. Once you do that, type in the name of your broker. So in this case, IC Markets. And once you've got that, it's going to give you a list of servers to choose from. Now, IC Markets have 16 different servers, as well as some demo servers as well. You need to make sure that what you're choosing is a live server, and it has to be the one that matches the email that you got from IC Markets. If you're using a different broker, just make sure that the server that you use for your broker, it matches the message you've got from your email from your broker. So in this instance, on mine, the correct server is live 14. So I select live 14 and the screen changes again. And now I get to put in my login. And it's as simple as just putting in the username and the password. Simple as that. Do that, bingo, we're all set. Next step, as far as you're concerned, is you're ready to trade. If you've never placed a trade before, you need to watch the video that I made yesterday, and the link for it is there. Although you're looking at it on your screen right now, if you look in the notes below, you'll also see a clickable link, so you can click on that. And if you haven't seen the results that other people are already getting doing this, then you need to watch that video that's there, because we have people who are simply copying and pasting alerts that we get. And in the first video there, you'll see how they do it. The results that they're getting are absolutely mind-blowing. Take a look at Tony. 1 day of trading. Tony's been with us for not very long. She'd only been trading for a couple of days doing this, and she's making £156 a day. Hugh did the same sort of thing. In the space of his first couple of days, he made $536, or pound rather, trading on a part-time basis. Or take a look at Cynthia. Cynthia put in just a couple $100 to start off with. In the space of a couple of weeks, getting used to the format, copying and pasting, making some money on a regular basis. She actually made that was 6 days of trading, £877. By the time she finished the week with in excess of £1,000 profit. Simple as that. We have something that's doing amazing things, folks, so really you need to get onto it. That's it. So as far as I'm concerned, let's wrap this up. Good luck with your trades, and if you're actually trading now and you're getting results, tell us all about it. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for that. My name's Roger Garth. Speak to you soon.